You explain that incredibly well.
Sometimes I'm good at my job. Only sometimes. Only sometimes. Right, so we're going to do a teaser here. So with these tools, okay, they are not launched yet. They'll be coming out early next year.
The EXDB 18V2-180 rolls off the tongue.
Diamond core drill, so wet, dry, up to 182 millimeters.
The two-speed selection on the side here gives you indicated on there the diameter of the core bit that you're actually cutting and the suggested gear for it to be in.
We thought gear 1 and gear 2 would be enough, but no, actually, how about we just give you the size? So 2 gears, 2 batteries, 250 watts of power, kickback control, overload, warning lights. I mean, what is there not to like? It's even lightweight.